Look at the way Ebuka want to bring light to Ngorokpala in Imo State, Owerri North. Ndị Igbo anyị ekpe ndị Ngorokpala, they don't even want that light. Go to Winners. See where SARS Winners they now. Not where they find inside Winners Chapel, Kenna land, where you no go see. You go inside Winners, you go see banks. You will see restaurants. Tell me what they find. Schools they inside. Nothing where they find for inside Winners where you no go see. People where they work, they employ workers. Now that same thing Ebuka won't carry come east. But our painful mind of Ngorokpala people no agree. That kind of thing good. If Ebuka finish this project when they do for Ngorokpala, and I'm not saying a light thing don't bring for us. Youths go get job opportunity where they go find work. For Imo State here, which work they Imo State? Which job they Imo State? Nowhere no be hotels, filling station, gas station. Which work? Which better work where they for this Imo State? Except some people they work for government office. Teachers. Which better factory work? No way. Our jealousy, enviness, no agree. Is it good? It's not nice. It's not nice at all. I watched one video yesterday on Facebook. The man, they proud of himself. Say, yes, now me they draw the rain. These 100 days, well, Ebuka won't do. Now me they draw the rain. Now me they do. It starts to sweet you for much, they talk. When they bring light, they bring better thing. They bring light come Ngorokpala. Maybe say that place go be, in fact, it go be another second Canaan land where we get for eastern parts. We get one Canaan land for Songwater, Ogun State. Ngorokpala go be the second Canaan land where we get for eastern parts. But no way. Jealousy and enviness no great. It is well, oh. It is well.
My brother, I just want to know. Then as I'm very good, I can guess it. No call and no logo. Now so I'm here to shut my area. I can't really go through. Because the whole of that I didn't hear them because I didn't have them for I want to do my Ruby and Umulesia. Here you put it, I live on that side already. And I can't know, guy. As a chairman of the village, no more on to. I say, yeah, one year. Fire down. Only Aliano, whoever, yeah, they are go. Only Aliano, whoever, yeah, they are tikati. Therefore, I never call a head. Why don't other Aliana by a hotel? General. No, Gana would get because Aliano. I need the development because I need the Yaba for the away. Only the one Yaga is Yaga. People, I difference. How that difference between man and how I go. I never understand the problem because also I don't know you. How many capital town here today? Here I'm a so-called governor. How many capital town here today? But on them I forgive mercy. Only BC. Only governor or Yabu president.
The community is a community about planting. I don't know the planting about it. Only BC. Well, they can't go for the president. So I did a baby or teacher honor. My baby will be also honor. So hello, I'm not going to have you get you I don't want only. I'm my source, many of them. I don't want any. They got it for the I say, careful, people. But I could have got it. Because they like Yala, that is the Yala. They like Palo. gaa nọ ebe ị nọ bọtụ ụlọ bụ ifu dara anyị nsogbu ebe a onye gagidebe n'ụzọ ụjọ adịdị ya ndị ọgba ọkada mesi na na-ewu a na-akụ ndị akụ ahị ọzọ dị gafuru anyị gabara na-agbagbusi nri nakwa achọghị ndị oge ego mkpọrọ bọta deja ịdụwa ha gwara gị ewu bịa gbakwara ngwongwo gị gaba ọ gaghị ehu ndị nwe ala onye ka nwanne si ala ala sa ya ya gasịrị nga gị ya nọ onye ọbụla sa ya ma emu oyi ma damimo ya fụ na abakara n'obi si nga ya nọ gịnị ụjọ alụ nnukwu ụjọ alụ onye nta ọ bụ ha nnenu
ndị mbishi mmemme biko mụnwa unu select ife mebi unu anụna ha isi ahụrụ kwaba owu ndị ụmụnwoke ma mbishi malite mbishi okwu ya unu gozie bantesina adịghị ejije against Ebuka Obi na gọvanọ ya ebe a nkwanụ gọvanọ nọ n'Imo steeti ebe ahụ nọ anaghị wepụ ya enwere mutual agreement between the government and the landowners ọ bụ na ịlọ ya anya n'aka ịdị anya ebe a kiri enye only for 3 days only to uproot the whole cassava anyị kere n'ubi anyị ebe ya uproot ndị ya ọlụrụ up to now I never a place to farm I never a place to root whatever so yanere anyị ji ije ohere a na-eme ka ụwa na anyị achịghị ihe mere development na Imo steeti maọkwa na nga ọgbaala kama enwere obodo a enwe onwe ndị na-egizere obodo a ndị na-enye n'aka n'ubi ya forefathers ya mere anyị ji na-akpọ ya ma gọvanọ after this program ọ na-eme ya jisi ike bịa ga-azụ ndị obodo ọ bụ na-eziokwa ndị na-adị n'ekpe onye ụlọ ya na-agbọ ka nsonachi oke ya bịa ga-azụ ndị nwe ala ya na-eme april ọdọ mgbe ọ gwara mitin n'Owerri o kwuru ya chara ga-afọm interface committee interface committee na fọm onye awapụrụ na